Hello everyone and welcome. It's Shanna Makes It and I'm part of the creative crew for Kat Scrappiness. Today we're working with Kat's Essential Card Builder Die 3, the Don't Forget to Smile Shadow Sentiment Craft Die. We've got some ephemera here that is quacking up ephemera pack, and we've got a couple of paper pads. We've got the Farmhouse, which is my favorite. I'm telling you guys need this 6x6 pack here. And we've got the Glitter Galore. I'm going to bring in this yellow. And we are going to make a very simple and quick card. For this card, all you need is a little bit of ephemera, a couple pieces of pattern paper, and a sentiment. And if you've got a background builder die, that's great. If not, you could create a frame in another method. But anyway, I'm going to use this red and white plaid paper here. It's like a country tablecloth, and I'm going to take our background builder 3 die and die cut it out. Now it's got lines on it, so I'm going to take real care to make sure I've got it lined up evenly before I die cut it out, and that way I'll have a nice pattern on my frame when I get it done. So I've got my die cutting of my frame down there. I'm going to bring in my paper trimmer because I'm going to trim this Glitter Galore yellow paper down to A2 size card. So I'm going to go 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I've got an A2 size card base that I made myself there, and we're going to get this cut down and get it laid down on our card base. This is going to be the background for our little card. And this card actually came together in about 8 1/2 minutes from start to finish. So it doesn't take a long time to make a cute little card, especially when you've got ephemera and you've got a big, bold sentiment. So I'm trying to get my glue to come out. I had to stick my pen in it. We'll go ahead and get some glue on here and get this laid down. Now you can see the Glitter Galore as well as the Farmhouse paper are double-sided. So we had like a teal glitter pattern on the back of our yellow there. Just going to get it lined up on my A2 size card base, and then we're going to get our frame and we're going to lay it down. And I'm telling you, I'm going to keep all of these bits that come out of this die because I love this paper and I'll figure out how to use it. So I'll get these off of here, get them laid aside, and then we'll get our frame laid down on our yellow Glitter Galore pattern paper. And I'm not even going to pop it up. I'm just going to glue it down straight to the pattern paper. I'm keeping this very simple. It's going to be a flat card, easy to mail, and we're using some ephemera and a big bold sentiment, and we're calling it finished. So I thought the yellow and the red and the white, and then I'm going to bring in some black and white. I thought it would go really well. The camera on the ephemera piece that I'm using for the quokka is yellow. And so I thought the red, yellow, white, and black would be a great combination. So I've got these they're kind of like Polaroid frames, and they are part of that ephemera set. And then we've got some sayings, and we've got some quokkas, and we're going to just build our scene with that. And I was thinking, when I was thinking about it in my head how I was going to lay it out, I don't know why I flipped her over. It would have been in the wrong direction had I done that. But anywho, we're going to just kind of position things. I'm going to bring in some additional sentiments as well. We've got these frames, and we've got an I love you and a this much, and we've got a quokka with his arms stretched out like this much. And so we're going to use that on our frame as well. So we'll have I love you this much, and we're going to have a quokka taking a selfie of himself, and then we'll have our don't forget to smile sentiment. I'm going to figure out how I want to lay these frames down on this panel, and then we'll be able to build our card. So you can see it's going to say I love you this much. And then we'll get our selfie quokka up there, our big bold sentiment, and we'll get them all laid down on there. I'm also going to bring in some embellishment as well. I've got some black enamel dots, and I thought I'd just bring that in and add a little extra pop with that. But this card's going to come together pretty quickly. Now, I will link all the materials in the description box below so that you can shop with them, and I encourage you to do that. We appreciate you supporting Kat's small business, and every order she gets is very beneficial to her. So I'm going to just position my quokka kind of off center on this and just glue him down on the frame, and then we'll glue down the I love you to it, and then we'll get it laid down on there. And we'll do the same with this much quokka. So if you would, hit that like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I would encourage you to do that. Then you'll get notifications and you'll see all of the new products that come out, as well as the design team working with the different products. We have some great design team members, and they regularly run videos on the KS channel, so you want to check that out. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to if you want to get updates in your inbox as well. She's been doing some special promotions for those that get the newsletter, so I would encourage you to check that out and sign up for the newsletter so that you can be in the know on all the special promos and stuff that's going on in the Kat Scrappiness world. So you can see with some ephemera and a sentiment and some panels, we can put a card together really quickly. And these builder dies are fun. You can just tuck things in the different boxes and just make for a real interesting card. So I am going to bring in some foam tape on our sentiment, and I'm going to get it popped up just to add a little bit of dimension to this card. And I'm going to figure out where I want to position it. I wind up kind of putting it in the center of that rectangle there. And then we've got all of our elements laid down. I'm going to go off and find some enamel dots, and we'll get them laid down on here. So in keeping with our color scheme, I'm just going to bring these black ones in, and I'm going to chase them around my desk. I can't find my pick up tool from Kat Scrappiness. I have laid it somewhere, and I need to find it. So I'm using my Kat Scrappiness reverse ombre tweezers for this, and some of these little enamel dots are getting away from me. I will tell you, Kat does have a lot of different embellishments in the shop as well that you can check out. So you might want to check out the embellishment section of the channel or the store. So I'll get this last one laid down on there, and that will pretty much finish up our card. I think it turned out cute. It came together rather quick. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.